They provide shade, they're an animal habitat, and in fall they're a tourist attraction. Trees are important, but they can be dangerous when strong, gusty storms blow through. In our spring weather report, 7 News meteorologist Dan Bickford looks at how to reduce that threat.
Spring is the start of storm season, but we get thunderstorms any time of year. Our most common cause of storm damage is from straight line wind. Damage can be isolated. Damage from Helene this past fall was widespread.
This spring before the storms hit and this happens in your yard, you want to make sure that your trees are in shape for the season.
Brandon Crosby, owner of the Lumberjacks in Boiling Springs, has been working on area trees for a decade.
Preventative maintenance goes a long ways, as we saw in the storm here. Now's the season to be doing some trimming, bottom limbs up, nothing out of the tops really now that trees are starting to sprout.
Trimming trees back from your house and knocking out deadwood means less that can fall onto your house or car. Done correctly, it leads to healthier trees, decreasing the chance they'll be damaged, and they look better too.
If you're trimming, you want to leave enough to have a shape of the tree. You don't go more than half. You know, every situation is a little different, but you got to leave the shape of the tree.
Got a bunch of trees? Be careful, they actually can serve as their own protection.
Pine trees, if you got a forest of them, you take out, say you got 100, you take out 80 of them. Well, those other 20 are probably going to fall. Wind hits them differently than it ever has before, so you really got to kind of work those as a group together.
If you think you're ready to head up a tree with your own chainsaw, not so fast.
Standing on a ladder cutting trees is always the biggest no. You never know how this stuff's going to fall. It bounces. Getting a professional is always the easiest solution. You do it right the first time. It always pays bigger in the long run.
Using a professional can also be environmentally friendly.
We try to chip most of everything, sticking it through a chipper, turn it into mulch. Usable rather than everybody trying to burn it, just taking it to the landfill. It's already full.
If anything like Helene happens again, be careful to not get scammed.
A lot of people came from out of town to do a lot of the stuff. Say they're going to do this, they're going to do that. You pay them, they leave. You'll never hear back from them. Always go local. Trust local.
In Boiling Springs, I'm 7 News meteorologist Dan Bickford.
Easy to make a bad mistake that way. You can find a lot of other good tree care tips in this story at WSPA.com.